So is this urine pregnancy test kit correct? So since ages we have been seeing this urine pregnancy test kits available everywhere. It's a very simple test, easily available. You know, there is no need to go to the doctor for this urine pregnancy test kit. So this urine pregnancy test kit becomes positive when the beta HCG levels are above the normal range for a pregnancy. Once a woman becomes positive, the beta HCG levels keep increasing in urine and blood. So whenever the beta HCG levels increase in the urine, it shows positive, but sometimes there can be false positives. In case of women with irregular periods, it can show a false negative or a false positives. Sometimes in biochemical pregnancies also we see initially it will be positive and again it can become negative. And sometimes the kit pregnancy test kits manufacturing might not be good. In such cases also you can see this false positive, but 99% of the times it is an accurate test.